That's a look of determination on your face. You like your sippy cup? So close. You can get it. Get it. Good boy, Dylan.
He doesn't really know what to do with it now
Do you
that he's
want me-
got it.
You want Daddy to help you? Here we go. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. One more? Yeah. Good job, Dylan.
Where'd it go? Excuse you. That was so disgusting and horrible.
Did you get that on tape?
Dylan, are you okay? Oh my goodness. I mean, still accurate. Oh my goodness.
Maybe your belly's a little full?
Oh, poor thing.
Good thing Mom was planning on watching the cover today, huh,
Oh,
Dylan?
Dylan. Are you okay, sweetie? Didn't seem like it fazed him.
Not at all.
Oh, man.
All right. Ready to get ready for the day, buddy?